Myrtleford. Just getting out of Sydney City now, into the countryside, off to Goulburn to get some booze and some food, and then I'm going to find a nice camping site. That's really nice. Holy moly, we're at the one and only Troopaloo garage. And that's where the magic happens. Down the back, every single part ever. Got some freaking washers for the boys. We'll all have brand spanking new sump plug washers for, well, 3 matching WRs. Just a couple of rigs. And we're back at Gundagai. Camped here before with Al. It's not a bad little in-between Sydney and Melbourne pit stop. Last time we were here, Al got his car bogged, but mate, the Hilux lifted and fall low, she'll be fine. Gonna have a chunky Irish stew for dinner, and then in the swag to bed. It's nearly midnight. Got a couple stars in the sky. We'll cook up some dinner, then let the fire simmer down and fall asleep with some whiskey. Love it. And some Sudafed. Morning. It's actually quite warm. It's nice. Be good for a swim later. How good. Got the whole waterfall to myself. And I've done some rubbish that I'm going to take home. People are dumb and they bring glass to the bush. That's a good thing about having a ute at least, is you can pick up everyone's garbage and then just dump it in the back and then in the bin when we get to town. Off to waterfall number 2 because Tom and Nick are dilly-dallying pretty hard, so they won't be up in the high country for another couple hours. So second waterfall, and this one is one of my favorites. It's a bit of a walk, maybe like 30-40 minutes, 2Ks. Gets kind of steep towards the end, so it's definitely like a shoe kind of walk, but amazing, like triple waterfall with 3 big swimming holes. So hopefully a lot of water still in it, and yeah, another swim, which is nice. to go get the bike scrutineered. And all the boys are here. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm hungry, so... Do you want some roux, Nick?
I want some roux.
You want some roux? I'll do all the roux. Get out of there. Oh, there we go.
Look at that. Is that seasoned or?
Yeah, pre-seasoned roux. Oh, look at that. Nice and lean as well. Good for your F45, Nick.
Get that in your gob. Bit of protein.
Good for your bulk.
Oh, look at this
Oh yeah, damn, must be nice. He's really lost touch with the common man, hasn't he?
Nothing but glamping.
$100,000 Raptor, amazing KTM, rooftop tent. This is my setup this weekend, Nick. Nick, did you pre-make a dinner being pasta, but then decided to freeze it in a 15 centimetre by 15 centimetre cube?
It's all the wife. She's
That'll
looking after
literally
us.
take 8 hours to
We've got
defrost.
Colonnades tonight. We've got tacos.
Dude, we're not eating that till Monday night.
Yeah, right.
So literally, it's gonna take forever. Oh, that roux smells good. Yeah, I read it. It was marinated well too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Honey soy.
Honey soy. 2. What? Oh, it's pretty slow. Oh Jesus, look at him go. Freaking hell. He really is a huge man-child.
Yeah.
For that shit.
Alright.
Go.
Get him out.
Alright, give us a go. I'll die on camera for fun.
Look at that stance. That is a man who shaves his legs every day to go faster on a bicycle, but we'll go 10 kilometers an hour on a 100 kilometer an hour skateboard. Aero. All right, we're sneaking into Tom's tent while he's away. He's off talking to his subscribers. Tenting.
Feels like an African safari, doesn't it?
Yeah, actually, just people watch.
Just people watch.
And there's an Africa twin. Wow, it's got a great view. That is an amazing aspect. Look at that beautiful brown Hilux.
I don't do that shit anymore, man.
I got you a gift.
Coke? Me and Kathy are
Tom,
cokeheads.
Nick,
What is it?
I got you a gift.
What's the gift?
Is it Coke?
It's from Trooperloo.
Only
It's
do-
very, very small.
Is it Coke?
Take one.
Oh my god.
There's
You got
3
us
of
a
them.
single crush
Yeah.
washer?
The thing
That is
that
great.
we never ever buy or
Yeah.
replace, and it's not worth the shipping to buy from Trooperloo.
I bought a genuine bolt and 2 of them.
You're welcome.
True Blue. Trooperloo.
No, he doesn't know. He's not a WR
If you look
boy.
up Yamaha OEM parts, the first website comes up, they have every part is Trooperloo. Right. Brendan went to Trooperloo in New South Wales. Oh, right. So he's like, we're here in Mecca.
Nick's got about 5 more hours of his defrosting to go.
Mate,
Awesome, Nick.
Look.
We'll have that at 4 in the morning. And I'm figuring out where to put my humble swag. Nick doesn't want me to leave him alone, so I'm swagging next to Nick tonight.
Breaking, yeah, we literally got that fire on in 10 seconds there.
Was that the hand sanitizer?
Hand
sanitizer.
100% alcohol.
Yeah, that's true. Good point.
Love it.
This is how you go camping, hey?
Yeah, that happened in about 30 seconds flat. That's good. Now we don't have to look at each other anymore.
It's great.
And look at the fire.
You can go back to ignoring group chats.
Yes, I do that very well. Hey Nick,
Hey.
are you trying to act casual?
Yeah, it's casual. Just watching the scenery, having a coffee.
Look very casual, my friend. I'm a 92 this weekend. Let's chuck that right there. Beautiful.
G'day
Don't follow him. So you turn left, turn right, turn right.
Ooh. Yeah.
Oh, danger!
Oh.
Danger!
Yay! There you go, there's a bit of a scrap with orange and blue. You gonna get him? You ready to rock and roll, Nick? With all the boys to wash off all the dirt.
It's basically hand pass kids onto other people.
I'm still
Dad
practicing.
Croc gang. Love it. Falling Crocs. Dude, it gets even better, man. Check it out. Little bath pool. I don't know, God's country.
The other day, I invented the Yui boom. You got the Yui boom too, like it's on. Yeah, I got like the big one. It's
Yeah, you're getting a little bit of heat on the legs a bit though.
Yeah.
A little bit high maybe.
They should put some more holes around the bottom here.
Horizontal.
Morning, Nick.
Morning, Brendo.
Ready to ride today?
Yeah,
You look tired.
I'm tired. Cold and tired.
Do you need a latte?
I need a pute.
Fueling up before our day of riding, hey Nick? You gonna go psycho, Nick?
Yeah.
Psycho mode? Tom's gonna go
Once
psycho
a year.
mode because Tom's always psycho.
Yeah, once a year and me.
That was like 5 years ago you went psycho. It was a mild psycho.
Alright, you ready, Tom?
Ready?
Today's the day.
I'm pie. Because I'm smart.
Good on you.
I'm a circle.
I'm 92, but I was born in 94, so it's wrong. And Nick's 67.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to be on a big bike. Those washouts.
It was dustier than I was.
There was a
1290 ripped past
yeah,
us.
we pulled over and
Cold morning. The old humble swag kept me warm though. It's the mighty Hilux in its natural habitat, nestled between the trees. The vocal cords have taken a beating. Last night was karaoke night. Today is wedding, and I'll be sleeping in my swag. Probably in the tray. Might roll it out here, a bit higher up, capitalise on that nice view. And then the wedding venue is like 200-metre walk that way. So it's hot today here in Victoria. It's like 35 degrees, but time to suit up and have a wedding. There you are, look at that. Beautiful. Lovely view. Pretty much the Ritz-Carlton, eh? Pants out. Start getting rest. A wedding card. Off to the wedding.
the dad.
All right, bedtime. No, it's a rainy old morning. Very Melbourne. Oh my God, is that a box? Well, that was exciting. Let's go.